80 Tree Pirate, also known as Captain Chainsaw. We're a collection of artists, woodworkers, and we specialise in chainsaw art and timber frame carpentry. Other people cut trees down and we like to stand them back up again. People that maybe own or manage a woodland, like myself, I'd say if you want to get into carving, once you've got your qualification to operate the saw and you're comfortable with that, I think people should have a go. Really, there's always trees, shrubs and things that have to be removed and in the wrong place or whatever, or are died, standing dead, so we do a lot of carving of those. And it's just better if you can make something, even if it's just a little stool or a mushroom, or to start with, rather than just turn it all into firewood. And then you can just progress to doing little sitting owls. They're not too hard. Main thing is that your piece of wood is nice and held, so you start off with a fairly big bit, so you want to either secure it or start off with a big bit, carve your owl or whatever, and then you can just cut it off if you need it a bit smaller for transport or anything. Tend to use wood fairly green, but you can use it dry. It's just a lot easier to carve if it's still green. And then obviously you've got all the stuff to do with drying, and some woods dry and split and some woods don't, and things like western red cedar and sequoia redwoods are really good for being stable, really nice and soft to carve, but then they don't actually shake or split too much, so you can make something green and it'll stay solid and stable. Oak's good. Oak and ash are a little bit splitty, but you just work with that, make them a bit bigger, and you accept the fact that it's going to dry and split a little bit. I think people should have a go, really.